Hello again, folks. I'm back with another beautiful, gorgeous 2013 Dodge Charger police pursuit vehicle. This vehicle does have the 5.7 Hemi engine in it. This was a highway patrol vehicle. Original bright white from factory. Vehicle has been completely serviced and detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country. Folks, once again, this was a highway patrol unit. It does have 122,000 miles, all original highway miles. Tinted windows from that department. I do have a what it appears to be like a medium shade in the rear only. This vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape. The vehicle does have very little, well, you know what, I'm lying. I actually cannot see any scratches on the vehicle, but I can see a few dings here and there, but nothing major to worry about. Folks, as you can see, I do have a one hole in the trunk where the actual antenna is. It's not going anywhere. So if you plan to maybe drive your car to an express car wash, you'll be completely safe. It's not gonna blow away or break. Everything works in the vehicle. I've already went through the whole car myself and make sure that everything was taken care of. Now, folks, remember I told you the car has a few dings. I do have a few dings here in the trunk. Okay, I have about maybe 3 here in this area. The car is white, so it kind of hides it. You can't even see it, not unless you get up close and personal to it. Dual exhaust with the chrome tips. Everything is there. Folks, before I forget, I gotta tell you that the steel wheels on this vehicle have been reconditioned. What I mean by that is that they have been repainted and they are back to new condition, so they're nice and shiny. Gloss black. This car is super fast. I mean, folks, if you are familiar with the 5.7 Hemi, they are a beast. Talk about a presence going down the highway. I drive this car down the highway. Folks do not want to be in front of me. They just simply just get out of the way. I do have clear lights and lessons in the front. One working spotlight with a good unity bulb in it. The tires on this vehicle are going to be the Goodyear RSA Eagle tires, 100V rated. It doesn't get any better than that. 100V, V as in Victor, rated. Also, I must tell you, this was a slick top vehicle. As you can see, no holes on the roof, which makes it better. Slick top, for some reason, they just, I don't know, I like those better than the regular patrol cars with the light bars on the top. Let's go back here real quick. Let's go to interior. Folks, as you can see, I do have a matching interior. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Carpet floors with 4 factory floor mats. Windows, rear windows are fully functional, so they all go up and down as they should. Let me clean this up here for us. All right, passenger side seat is in extremely good shape. I don't think nobody ever sat there. Driver's side seat is good and is still comfortable. Now this is the dash. As you can see, I don't have a center console. It's all factory here by the department. Everything works. I do have, just so you guys know, I do have one factory key fob, and I just don't like to have one, so I called my locksmith and I had a secondary key fob made to the vehicle, so I have two keys, two fobs. It is a push start. Let's wait for everything to fire up here for us. Climate control buttons, stereo, everything works as it should. Dash, very nice dash. 122,000 miles there. Once again, folks, this vehicle is in perfect running condition and shape. I love it. I will be lying to you if I tell you I didn't. Climate control, everything is controlled here by the little screen. Radio, settings, you name it, everything's there. Okay, let's go to the trunk and then we're gonna go to the roof, but let me finish showing you here. Unity light bulb in good shape. It does work. Honk works. Ticket light red works. White LED works. And mosquitoes never fail. All right, let's go to the trunk real quick. Gorgeous rims, gorgeous. The hub caps, the center caps, they're also new. Okay, I ordered those on eBay. Super clean trunk, folks. Before I forget, I gotta tell you, this car did come with 2 spare tires. I do have the donut inside the trunk, and I do have a full spare tire that came with the car, which by the way is gonna go with the car to the new owner. Okay, so you're gonna have not 1 but 2 spare tires. Once again, it's gonna go with the vehicle. I don't need it. It's yours to keep. We got lucky. Usually these cars, they don't come with tires at all. Well, spare tires, and I did get 2 on this one. I'm not complaining. You're gonna take them. Let's get under the hood real quick here. As you can see, she's been completely serviced. Detailed. So she is clean, super clean, and the vehicle has been very well taken care of. In fact, I do have the maintenance history for this car from beginning to end. Okay, starting to on my right, I do have a brand new air filter. Spark plugs were replaced at around 100,000 miles by the officer that was assigned to this vehicle, so I went ahead and got them checked out. They're good. They do not need replacement. I did a full synthetic oil change on this particular car, and I did use 520 weight. Transmission was serviced. Fluid and filter by Mopar, nothing else. I will not use anything else in this particular car. Air conditioners nice and cold. Brakes on this vehicle, they are new from that department, front and back. So guess what? We do not need brakes. We do not need brakes. They are good to go. Tires are great from that department as well. Hoses, drive belt tensioner, they appear to be in good shape. Also, the cabin filter is new. Let's give this one last final look here. Sorry guys, I'm trying to keep them under 10 minutes. Let me backtrack here real quick. Once again, this is a 2013 Dodge Charger 5.7 Hemi, former highway patrol unit. Vehicle was assigned to 1 officer, so whoever had it, they did a great job taking care of it. Oh, before I forget guys, there is a door ding here. Once again, it's kind of hard to see it. You got to get up close and personal because the white hides it. It's a little door ding right here. Nothing major to worry about. See, you can't even see it. Whoever, let's go forward here. Whoever was assigned to this vehicle, they did an outstanding job taking care of it. Once again, I do have all the service records for this particular vehicle, and they will go to the new owner so that you can review them when you get a chance. New brakes and rotors, fluids, filter, spark plugs. I don't know what to say. Super clean interior. All right, folks, if you should have any questions, comments, or maybe you're interested in buying this vehicle, please feel free to give me a call, text me, or email me, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to look at this long video. I know your time is money, and I hate to tie you down, but we had a lot of ground to cover here. Anyway, this is the Grand Victoria guy signing off. You guys stay safe out there and healthy. Thank you, take care, and God bless.